Hello, we'll introduce ULT freezer of Daihan Scientific. Daihan Scientific's Unifreeze endorses fast cooling speed and minimal power consumption by applying the new Unifreeze system and groundbreaking cooling system. Duo freezes to independent Unifreeze systems ensure that the cooling temperature is maintained even if a problem occurs in one system. Unifreeze consists of 400, 500, 700, 800 series. Unifreeze U400 and U500 can be used from -86 to -65 degrees, and Unifreeze U700 and U800 can be used from -80 to -65 degrees. Duofreeze consists of 400, 500, 700, 800 series. Duofreeze U400 and U500 can be used from -95 to -65 degrees, and Duofreeze U700 and U800 can be used from -90 to -65 degrees. Daihan Scientific's ULT freezer has obtained UL and CE certifications, which are safety certifications in the US and Europe, and has been selected as an excellent design product.